ভিউয়ার্স, আশা করি সকলেই ভালো আছেন। Hope all are you very well. Today I'll discuss about light box. Yes, but what is light box? Where it should be placed? What is activities of light box? The picture shown you, it is called shade determination of fabric or textiles. This is visual examine complete garments and fabric. Both you can check to ensure with buyer or customer standard. If you see the variation in the same garment, the shade during fabric inspection, if you not get or if you not noticeable to up management, then even after complete the garment, if you see it looks shade at different area, then you have to be checked with the light box so that you can easily identify the actual result according to customer requirement. If you check the garment in the light box, if it is okay, then it is okay, and customer also will accept with these activities. Two type light box I have bring here to show you, and there are few light source to identify with buyer approval like UV, D65, TL84, F means tungsten light. So one by one what is their activities you can see. The first of all I'll show you this is I have to start this one with D65. D65 means artificial daylight for customer view. অর্থাৎ দিনের আলোয় আমরা যেভাবে দেখি, like same shade you will get under this light. D5 is the most important light source বা উৎস for the checking. It's very important. All buyer following like this. See? Yeah. The second one is TL84. Now TL84, see this one. Yes. It's called store light as applied to customer stores in Europe, Japan, also others. স্টোরে কী ধরনের আলো থাকে তা এখানে শো করানো হচ্ছে। গার্মেন্টসের যদি কোনো তারতম্য দেখা দেয় তা এখানকার আলোতে কীরকম দেখা দেবে, ওখানকার আলোতে সেম দেখা গেলে ইট ইস ওকে। See, it's called store light. Yeah. Yes. Now F means it's tungsten light to identify the amount of yellow and red tone this light need to be used. If you see in the fabric red tone or a yellow tone, actually what is, how many, the amount, you can check under this light box. It is acceptable or not acceptable. There should be range. You can check easily. You can identify also easily. See this one. Yeah. The last one is UV, means ultraviolet light, specially used for white and all solid color optical brightness. Mainly we use for solid color fabric. This one according to requirement we follow like that. See? Yes. Now I need to show you the practical things how to check the shade under the light shade. The first one is D65. See, this one is D65. Yes. See, this swatch they get from merchandise department, which is approval like same as they got from mill. same shade they are checking. See, with the swatch they are checking under the D65 light box, D65 light shade under D65 light shade. And now I have to show you this one, TL84. I told you earlier it is store light. If you see any different in the fabric shade, then actually when shipped out in the store, when they place the garments, what will be shade. If you get it here different, so to examine the shade you can easily identify it will be noticeable or not after shipment. See, it's called under TL84 shade. See, this also approval shade. It's very simple. See, yes, and this one UV means ultraviolet. Ultraviolet means, I told you earlier, see, this one is for white and solid color optical brightness. This one under this shade, if you get tone, you have to be checked. Okay, now the last one is F. F means it's tungsten light. To identify the amount of yellow and red tone need to be used this one. See, okay, clear? Yes, there are also, I have to tell you, there are some instruction about this light box because it's a very sensitive item, so it is required to be careful to use this light box. The tube are to be replaced after 2000 hours, maybe. Yes, 2000 hours. After use 2000 hours you have to be changed. The light box should be cleaned regularly and also need to be cleaned before use once again. Must keep to be attention which light source you are going to use. During using the light box should not reflect other light in that area. After finish shade checking, switch off the button you have to be ensured. Must, this is must. So viewers, it was my presentation today. If you think the video helpful for you, please like, do comments and subscribe the channel who not yet. সকলে ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন, স্টে ওয়েল। আমার এই চ্যানেলটি যদি আপনাদের ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই আপনারা শেয়ার করবেন, লাইক দেবেন, যাতে আমি আরও উৎসাহ পাই। আমি আপনাদের উৎসাহ পেলেই আমি বিভিন্ন দিক আমি নিয়ে আসবো গার্মেন্টসের এখানে আমার চ্যানেলে। সো ভালো থাকুন, থ্যাংক ইউ অল।